came back from church, so we have already made food. We are eating swallow. I also want to cook fried rice. Yes, he's washing meat. One thing with my husband, if he wants to cook, he will tell you, don't worry, don't do anything for me. I will clean, I will season my meat, I will cook. That he wants to start from the scratch to avoid saying, okay, because you seasoned the meat for me, there was too much salt, there was no salt, you know. So he's using turkey and chicken for the fried rice. So you're gonna see how it would be. Don't worry, I will carry you guys along. Let's see. Okay, can your husband cook fried rice? Can your husband cook white rice? Let alone fry. With this, you want to go wash rice. Honey, you want to see? You see, some people have forgotten sieve. So, okay, and the thing is, to me, I want to sleep. Actually, I wish there is a way I can just lie down and sleep. But it's fine. I wish there is a way. I wish there is a way I can sleep. So when I woke up, my husband would be like, honey, come and eat, food is ready. This only happens when I put to bed. They will call me that food is ready. I packed all these things inside here. Everywhere, they're so busy. Could you imagine? Supposed to leave them inside here so that everywhere will be free. They're going to do my soup. I need to pack it. You yourself. You put it here. I'll be doing it. Pack everything inside there. Put it there. Put the corn as well. So everyone will be free. No, you make it the way of food. I feel when chala carrot teacher, should I pack this one in the freezer? In the fridge. It's okay.
Oh my God! Dominos know what the hell?
What the hell?
What the hell is my father cooking? Oh my God!
What the hell?
Did you hear Dominion say what the hell? When the father lifted him up to check to see the rice, you're like, what the hell? What the hell is my father doing? Oh my God! One thing is, since we gave birth to Dominion, Dominion is 3 years, just clocked 3 years last 2 months. Dominion has not really seen the father in the kitchen, but my husband has been cooking. My husband cooked very well. So Dominion has not really seen my husband in the kitchen until when? Last that day. Few days ago. Yeah, my husband was helping me to turn pounded yam. Dominion was like, hey, calling all the brothers, the siblings to come and check. Hey, daddy in the kitchen, daddy in the kitchen. But to him, he don't know that it's not a new thing for the siblings, you get? Now my husband is cooking this one. Be like, what is daddy cooking? What the hell? Onika of white rice, okay, they show. The rice tastes like coconut. God, even me, I'm so tired. After this, I'm gonna sleep. I wanted to sleep, but yeah. Are you feeling the shaking of the pot? Hey, bring your husband. Let's compete. Bring your husband to compete with my husband in the kitchen. In the kitchen. Ooh. So yeah, food is done. Ready. Fried rice. You now want try?
Yeah, man.
Ooh. for staying with us. Today's first Sunday in the month of January 2025. Thank you for staying with us. Tomino, please help me. Thank you for staying with us, and thank you for being with us in the kitchen. You see, my husband made fried rice. You see? Okay. I'm trying to wash some things, but okay. See me in my next video. Please do subscribe if you've not. If you watched to this point, which means you like me. Subscribe.